Hi everyone, today we are creating this type of dynamic fluid simulation in Houdini, so let's start it. Start from taking a spiral node. Adjust this parameter to create a curve or a path where our fluid will be follow. Simply increase the height and decrease the number of turns. This will provide a natural path. Now just connect the null and just rename as the path. Now take a box and adjust the scale to create a pillar shaped rectangle. If needed, you can copy the scales shown in video. Then add the subdivide. Then next copy and transform. Rotate the shape 45 degree on x-axis and increase the counts. So basically we want to create a star-like shape for our emitter. Connect the flip source after the copy and transform node. Here set the fluid resolution by adjusting the particle separation. Copy this parameter and paste it into voxel size. Then multiply it by 2. After this we need a dot network. Go inside, add a flip solver and flip object. Connect the flip object to the first input of the flip solver. Then connect the volume solver to the fourth input of the flip solver. In the flip object, go to guide tab and the particle section. Enable the visualization. This will display the particles. Then switch back to the object mode after the flip solver. Add a null object and rename it as emitter. Then copy this emitter object and paste it into the volume source of SOP path. Make sure in the volume source the particle tab, the source particle option is enabled. Then add a pop curve force after the volume source. Next go back to object mode. Copy the path and paste it into the SOP path of the pop curve force. The direction of the path is incorrect. To fix this, go back to spiral in the transform tab and set the x-axis to -90, which will correct the direction. Then set the volume limits in the flip solver according to the shape of our curves. Then in a pop curve force, simply set the max influence radius. Make sure in the volume source, initialize it as a source flip. Okay, one more thing, go back to object mode, copy the particle separation from the flip source and then inside the dot network, paste in the flip object particle separation. In the pop curve force, set the follow scale, suction scale and orbit scale to 2. For my simulation, the length is not correct. To fix this, increase the height in the spiral node and then update the new volume limits in the flip solver accordingly. Now add some noise to simulation using pop force. Connect it before the solver and make a slightly adjust to the amplitude parameter to introduce some random noises. Now increase the particle separation to achieve high resolution in simulation. In the pop network, the object will be our flip object and rename this as the particles. Just go to path and on the visualizer and observe the visual representation of the point number. Identify the last point number in the sequence. Add a delete node to your network. In the group parameter of the delete node, enter the last point number you identify and set the delete node to delete non-selected to remove all points except from one you specified. Then copy these 3 initial nodes and paste them here. Then use copy to point node and connect it properly. Then add pop network after that. Just go inside and set the constant birth rate to 10. This will be collision fruit, so it's depend on how much you want. For my simulation I set to 10. In attribute option, set the initial velocity to have a z-axis value of 1.5 and decrease the variance to 0.1 on all axes. Here we need to fix the rotation of the emitter. Add a transform node before the copy to point node and set the y-axis rotation to -90 degree. Go back to pop network and play it. It is fixed now. I don't want this many points, so I decrease the numbers of points 1. In object mode, add copy to points nodes. For the fruits, I have a blueberry, so connect it to the first inputs. Then add a attribute randomize second inputs. Set the attributes to normals with the minimum value of -1. Now add a collision source. The second output will be VDB and the first output will be Geo. Then go back to DOP network. Here add a merge node after the solver. And then add a static object in the collision option. Make sure enable the use deform. Set the collision detection to volume collision and mode to volume sample. For the proxy volume, use VDB and set the SOP path to geometry location. Connect this to the first input of the merge node. The size of the collision is too large. Go back to object mode and duplicate the attribute randomize node. Change the attribute to P scale. Set the minimum and maximum scale according to your simulation. Just copy the transform node and paste it after the flip source. And connect this between. Then in object mode after the DOP network add fluid compress node and set the particle separation to the same as the fluid source. Now add a particle fluid surface node and set the particle separation be say 0.02. Then merge the both blueberries and fluid stream. We can preview our simulation. This is pretty much it. Thanks for watching. I hope you see you again.